The government is busy with the immigrations. If you switch on your TV or switch on the social media, you will see immigration, 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 but nothing else. They're worried about the immigration. But we are not, the business people are not worried about the immigration. They want their business to run. So government should listen to them and help them to survive. So a lot of restaurants closed down, a lot of restaurant, changing hand. This industry is suffering. The VAT is one of the biggest issue because if you remember, after the pandemic, the government reduced the VAT. Restaurants were, they were breathing nicely, but they went back to 20%, and now restaurants are struggling with the price hike, and on top of that, VAT makes it very, very difficult.
Running a restaurant? Your food deserves the spotlight. Currywalla Media. Let's make your food famous.